Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to upload high quality video on TikTok. So first thing that you will do is of course open up the TikTok application into your device. So guys, from here just simply go ahead and tap on create at the middle of the screen down below. And now from here just simply create a video or just simply upload one. So I'm gonna go for my gallery and just simply upload one of my video. And now from here, just simply tap on next. And after that, as you can see, in order for you to upload a high quality video, just simply tap on more options over here. And now from here, guys, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here, allow high quality upload. So guys, make sure to turn this on in order for you to upload high quality video on TikTok. So make sure this is toggled on. And from there, just simply do the usual process when uploading. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about TikTok, and thanks for watching. See ya.